Look, if the feds show up at your home or your office, either to talk to you or to execute a search warrant, or if you've received a target letter, this means that you are probably under investigation. And trust me, there is nothing scarier. Look, I know that you are concerned about your family, your spouse, your children, what's going to happen to them if you go to prison. You're afraid that having a felony conviction will prevent you from getting employment in the future. I totally get it. I've been doing this for a really long time, and I understand that sometimes people just get in over their head or they get involved with the wrong people. The most important thing is what you do next, because this is serious. The one thing that you can't do is wait around to see what happens. I have seen that happen too many times, and it always backfires. The most important thing for you to do right now is to hire an attorney, and more importantly, the right attorney right away. My name is Diane Bass. I am a federal criminal defense attorney, and I represent people who are either under investigation or who have been charged with federal white-collar crimes. There's an expression my mom used to use when I was acting like a drama queen. She would say, "Don't make a federal case out of it." Well, there's a reason that expression exists. Once the feds get involved, this is really serious. So whether you've been charged with a crime or you're under investigation for any kind of federal white-collar crimes, such as wire fraud, tax evasion, money laundering, some kind of financial fraud, this is what you need to know. You need to obtain representation immediately because time is not on your side. The sooner you get an attorney, the more likely you are to be able to work out a better deal. Hiring a lawyer immediately can potentially change the charges that you're facing. It can potentially reduce the sentence. It can also possibly prevent you from being arrested and humiliated in front of your neighbors and terrifying your family. We can try and negotiate the terms of your bail before you walk into court so you don't have to go into custody or remain in custody while your case is pending. In some cases, with the right defense, we might even be able to convince the prosecution not to charge you. There is a reason why we tell people never talk to law enforcement or walk into court alone. Anything that you say or do can and will be used against you in a court of law. If you or your loved ones are under investigation or you've been charged with a crime, schedule a consultation with my office immediately so we can advise you of all of your options.